What's up, Cooper? Let's take a look at what you had here. This isn't it's it's not a circle, okay? So the bounds on the X are bigger than the bounds on the Y because it's an ellipse, right? So for the Y, you got to go, I don't know, this is so small. Let's zoom in. You got to go from -3 to +3, but you could also get that if you divided each side by 36. You'd have a 9 underneath the Y, okay? I wonder if that's a consistent error for you. Okay, makes sense what you thought. But again, check your picture because you graphed it correctly. And you can see there that 30 is outside of the bounds of the circle, but this is r squared. But I bet you know that now. I wonder why you picked that for the center. I'd love to talk to you about the mistakes. I'm definitely proud of you, but I want to know why. Okay, let's see. So this is a circle. It's got infinitely many lines of symmetry. Okay. But this, even though it looks kind of circular, like our Earth orbit, it is actually an ellipse. So the only place that you can cut this into two equal sides would be right down the vertical middle and right down the horizontal middle. And that's what this indicates. But you're doing really good with a lot of other things, Cooper. Same thing here, but now it's the other way around. So let's see. Hold on. Every Oh, you picked every line through the center. No, okay. So again, the only lines that cut this thing into two equal, like uh, mirrored images of each other would be this vertical line, same on both sides, and this horizontal line, same on the top and the bottom. Again, I'd love to talk to you about this today in class. I'm sure we will. Let's see. How did the x equal? I wonder how you got 9/4 for the focus. I don't know. Let's see. So if you have x equals 9y squared, all right, that's going to be a parabola where 1 over 4c equals 9. Where did that come from? Well, typically we consider to find the foci. We learned that in the video, okay? And the c ends up being the distance between the vertex and the focus. It's also the distance between the vertex and the directrix. Okay, so let's solve this thing right here. You get 36c equals 1. I just cross multiplied. So c is 1/36. Okay? If that was too quick, then let's talk about it. Parabola. So this is the vertex and that's the directrix. So it definitely helps to have a picture. So the vertex is at 3, 3. And then the directrix is the line y equals 5/3. So that's 1 2/3. And the y equals 1 2/3 is a horizontal line. So then what that means is that our parabola must be going up and our focus is inside there. What's the distance between 5/3 and 3? Oh, that's a pain. This is up 5/3 and that point is up 3. And 3 is 9/3. So the distance between here and here and here and here, that's 4/3. So then you say 1 over 4c is 4/3. This is a hard question. Cross multiply, you get 3 equals, well, really, we don't need to solve it for c. I don't think. Maybe we do. All right, let's solve it for c. Equals 16c. Yep, divide each side by 16, and that's where they get that c is 3/16. That's a 16. Cooper, I'm struggling here. I don't have my TV. They stole my room. So that's how it looks like you did two things wrong. Remember, it's y equals a times x minus h squared. That's why you put a plus, and it should be a minus. And then it's plus k, which you did get this correct. Okay? All right, Coop. I'll talk to you later. I'll send this to you now. I'll put your grade in. We'll clear up a couple things, and you can either take it again or move on. Boom.